Welcome to Kuya JP's channel. For today's video, we have here a Xiaomi Redmi 9 phone with a Chinese ROM. And using the applications, the App Store inside or installed in this phone, you cannot install application with the English version or the global version. You can only download and install Chinese version of this application, but we can bypass that. I was able to bypass that, and to prove that, here is the Google Chrome. That's the Google Chrome, and I have here Facebook, and there Facebook and PureTuber. So but no luck in installing the YouTube application, so I have installed PureTuber. So because the ROM installed in this phone is a Chinese version, even if you download the application, the APK file, it will always check the file, and it will say it's a security check, and it will redirect you to the Chinese version of the application. Here in the Mi App Store, you will always be redirected to the Chinese version of the application, but I am able to bypass that using a simple method. So first, you have to install the Chrome application to make things easier for you, and you have to download the Chrome application. We go to the browser, the default browser of this phone. It is Chinese, and then we type google.com. Yeah, google.com, and then we type Chrome APK. So here are some websites which offers download of the APK file of Google Chrome. You can use these websites to download, and after you download it, so I will show to you what will happen if you try to install files that are not downloaded from the Mi App Store. So here we have the Google Chrome. So this thing appears, and then you will be redirected to the browser or the Chinese version of the Chrome browser, or whatever application you downloaded. It will open the Xiaomi store, so the Xiaomi application store. But the easy way to bypass that is by turning off your Wi-Fi. So I turned off the Wi-Fi, and I will now try to install Google Chrome. So now there's a different message appearing on the screen if you're trying to install an application. So here we just check this. I understand that this app wasn't tested by Xiaomi and might pose security risk. So we check that, and then we click update. Now it is already installing, and voila. So that is the easy way on how we can install applications to a Xiaomi phone with a Chinese version of the ROM installed. So we can still install some application, the global application or the global version of the application using that method by simply turning off your Wi-Fi. So I was able to install Messenger and PureTuber. So but the Google Play services, I was able to install it, but it keeps if I try to install YouTube, the phone is blocking the YouTube application, so we cannot use the YouTube application here, but we can still install some PureTuber. So that is the technique on how we can install applications to this phone by simply getting the APK file, and then after downloading the APK file, we just turned off the Wi-Fi, and then we can install the application. So I hope I was able to help you with my very simple tutorial, and thank you for watching my video, and like, share, and subscribe Kuya JP's channel. Thank you.